Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to enable select to speak option feature in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply press on system. Here it is additional settings, and you will find here accessibility. Click on vision. You have to click on select to speech and enable it. When you just enable it, you will see a shortcut. When you just click on it, you have to select any of the tasks. It will,
How to use select to
you can
speak.
see,
Start select.
it will auto repeat.
Select to speak. Then you can tap a specific.
And if you want to pause, just click on this, and if you want to remove it, just click on red button. This is how you can remove it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.